inside floor drain repair in City of Fairfax. We currently have a condensate drain which is being utilized for the air conditioner plus the overflow line for the water heater. When we showed up, the sewer trap on the cast iron 2-inch pipe showed up dry and it wasn't holding any water whatsoever. So we went ahead and put a bucket of water down in there, and it filled up pretty quickly up to the flood level rim. And it slowly but surely started draining. What we're going to do is we're going to wait until tomorrow morning, have the homeowner check the trap, and if the trap is dry, we know that the water is exiting the trap itself and into the slab, and it's an urgent matter, needs to be fixed. If the trap, however, shows up shows up wet tomorrow, that would indicate that most likely all we need is a sewer snake, most likely to be done very carefully without a head or a blade on the snake, in hopes that we can get through the trap and onto the next section of sewer. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and prepare an excavation quote for the repair of the trap via conventional jackhammering, hand digging, exposing, and doing the repair. That would entail the hole to be around this particular area, and there's a high likelihood that this pipe will be connecting on either directly to this vent. It's right here. This is the vent. Yeah. Either directly into it, or it's going to be going around and connecting to the line right there. There's a probability. However, it could be going any other direction too, so we just got to be ready for that. So the proposal will be about a 2 by 3 foot hole, with the 3 feet being following the direction of the pipe. And the hope is that we can also connect to a next section of pipe. So after we do the trap and connect the next section of pipe, that the next section of pipe will be strong enough to be able to be connected to. And then we'll go ahead and install PVC pipe. Backfill concrete to grade, meaning existing grade of concrete with also its grading towards the floor drain, so that way all water will go in that direction, and then call it a day. Access to the basement will be through white carpet, by the way, so we're going to have to put track mats, and we have a back door through the back. That's what we got.